naked. The streets say you faking. Cerise in here naked. YM Prada. I hit her, then forgot her. The Z doing a shot. The Z cost me $1. Then when you eat, act like you swallowing it. Petite Philippe, got marbles in it. I'm turned, I'm up, I'm all the way lit. Lil' butter fat, he all in my dick. He chalking my swag, he boppin' like me. You can't compare me regardless. The weed smell but ain't garbage. The mademoiselle in her 40s, bitch. The Z, the Rastafarian. The Z, a Rastafarian cool. I'm skeeting off dust, miss sorry me you. Your daddy a Z, so what are you? Dragging my feet, cause I'm on the boot for sure. My mom and dad from the Caribbean got Florida tags on the European. I need head off the back like I'm Derek G. To rule the ground off that west, cause it's therapeutic. Got too much Z with me, 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 too much Z with me. Everybody rule like make a scene called TNZ. I got too much Z's, nigga, TNZ. Been in more cars than the DMV. Did a lot of fraud in the DMV. He is over, he look like a roster. Got a lot of killers on my roster. I be whipping the baby, no foster. Got the Siri bitch speaking patois. I park the Nissan in the band spot. I keep it cool like I'm handcuffed. I keep it cool when the band drop. What you gonna do at the M Scott? Give calls, baby, give me the sweat. It gets hard, but I keep feeding in that. Walk one, if you step, you respect. I murder for niggas to rest. I murder for next. I come to your body, you don't know nothing about it. Florida boy, like weather.
Hey, actually, park down there so you're
lots of knives in the street. Make lots of knives in the air. Make lots of noise in the street. Right up on me and my dad. I teach a Spanish and Creole. She Creole.
Beforehand, I can prep something up and make myself sound a lot cooler than I really am. That's the goal here, guys.
I guess. What is up, guys? Jay here, back with another video. Today we're actually in Charlotte. We got quite a couple cars out here. You can see the old Beamer right there. We got Devin C7 right here. Look at this Camaro, guys. This Camaro right here looks crazy. I'm very excited to take some shots of this. Way blacked out. It's Alan.
Who is this?
Bro, Alan. You're wildin', bro. What's up?
You know him?
Yeah.
Dude, holy fucking shit.
Yo, what do you got on your front windshield? I thought my shit was dark. 5?
Yeah.
Dude, I got 20 in
How
it.
do you drive this at night? Do you?
Not really.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Where the fuck you park?
Just park right next to the Camaro.
I hate to ask it.
Alright guys, so we are rolling out. To vlog and put your seatbelt on. Something not everybody understands. But we are rolling out. We're gonna go ahead and take these pictures, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Listen to that 42 Doug. You already know the vibe. 105 point blast.
That rock that beat. I made out of my sock, can't hold my Glock. Reason I don't really like that shit. Young turn it, can't wipe no bitch. Excuse my French, don't like no bitch. Limo 10 on fat, my car, yeah, I had it.
And I'm going like 30 miles on the highway waiting on you guys.
Oh, I hit y'all see me, I stopped.
I was like, we did this shit at rush hour.
And I was
for
like,
real.
dude, I don't know about this. Hey, bro, you still got my face?
Dude, I realized the car. Mine's stuck right now.
Damn, I wish I was in the car for that shit. Damn. That shit would have been fire.
Yeah, I got him on the GoPro.
Fuck.
Yeah, it's thing like you can hear the turbo like at first. It's kind of.
I was like, I knew it was you, but I was like, who who else is missing? I was like, somebody else is missing. I know somebody's missing.
When it's like idling, it's quiet. But when I get in, like at first, I couldn't tell if it was like turbo or supercharged. Like what the hell? Like on the top end, you can really hear like it's crazy. You don't even hear my car.
You just hear the turbo
from this car. Yeah.
Damn.
What is it?
I bet this thing is crazy.
88. It's a GT.
Charlie? Alright, Charlie.
What they do?
Alright,
Hey, we're going the other way out.
alright, nose goes.
Helicopter in the middle of the hood, I'm flying everybody. I just find these niggas be chasing, I swear I don't care about it. Boy, you play, you gon' die front of everybody. Leave some blood on the street by some red bottoms. Hard to hell, but I wish they ain't headshot him. My nigga don't run the fence, got it for a pill, can go out the way and come back with a lot of them bitches. I used to dream about color when we living legs, now I stay on top of them bitches. I wouldn't give a damn if you ran them up for whole being, I still wanna acknowledge the nigga. He put my name in the song, what the fuck is he on kill, but we gotta go get him. Hospital is fuck in the middle of nowhere. I dig it down, I don't care with my hoe. I made a cuss in the block on the forward. Not for real, spin a block on the forward. $5 million for me.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so pretty much right now, Matthew over here, he's about to line up this Honda.
Yes, sir.
Let me get it right. Look at that intercooler. That thing goes crazy. Turbo K24. Oh no, it's a K, what is it? It's like a K20 with K20 head, right? Got a K20 head on it?
Yeah. I'm not 100% sure. I hate to lie to you, so we'll be on the same page.
Guys, look at these ESRs. I actually wanted these for my car before I had the black ones, before I had the black ESRs. Nobody had them in stock. Oh, Jaime's out here. As you can see, I brought the truck out because I had to bring my toolbox out here. So I took the truck out today. Jaime's out here warming up 335. This thing is sexy.
Regular chicken biscuits.
Okay. And did you want this as combos or just the biscuits?
Just the biscuits.
All right. Anything else?
What do you want, Drew?
Let me get number 2.
Okay.
A 4 count is fine.
Okay. And did you want it as the combo with the drink?
Yeah, let me get a strawberry lemonade.
All right. So we have regular lemonade. I can put like the strawberry stuff in there, like that we put in our milkshakes. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. Perfect. Anything else for you?
Yeah, number 7 combo.
All right. And did you want bacon, chicken, sausage, or spicy chicken?
Let me guess.
Alright. Now we gotta swap this thing out. So I'm gonna start working on this and do a swap on it. Alright guys, so pretty much now we just gotta go ahead and take these CV axles out. I'm gonna try to take this arm off as well. See how this goes. Alright guys, so pretty much went ahead and took out the whole assembly. Engine and transmission is off, is out the car. Engine bay is clean. Now we just gotta go ahead and swap out the engine. I have to figure out exactly what engine I'm gonna go ahead and put in this car so we can get it right. Alright guys, so pretty much this is the old engine right here. Look at how crusty, dusty this thing is. So bad. New one right here. This is actually a K24. And you know, with it being a Type S, this one actually came with a K20. Now we pretty much need to do a swap. So we're gonna go ahead and swap everything from the K20 to the K24. And we need to hook it up back to the transmission. And that's where I'm at pretty much. It's gonna be lit. I'm trying to get these bolts out too, because they're cracked. They're so cracked. A lot of it is different, because if you check the manifold on the K20, it's flat on where the throttle body goes, and on the K24 you can tell it's longer and it's flat. It's like at an angle. So what we're gonna have to go ahead and do is replace. We're gonna have to transfer that manifold from the K20 down to the K24, and then after that we also got to go ahead and replace this bracket right here, because it's not the same one that's on the K20. The K24 one is different, so we need to swap this out, and we should be set. Hopefully it doesn't take us too long to go ahead and do this. Crossing my fingers for tomorrow. Hopefully by tomorrow I have it inside the car running and all that. We're gonna see what happens, but let's keep going. Alright guys, so it is a couple hours later. Right now, as you guys can see, we still have the engine out of the car. K24. I swapped some stuff over. I did swap over the water pump, the manifold, and then we do gotta get like the coolant delete plate. It's a plate that goes there, because on the K20 it brings this right here. On the K24 it has its own pump right here. So we need to get a delete plate right there, and then we should be able to go ahead and hook it up. Everything's looking fairly nice so far. What you think, cuz?
Shit, it was an amazing, great first day, dog.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, I guess this is actually where I'm at in today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. Let's get it. Let's stay lit. And y'all stay blessed.